Hey, eat and eat.
What about lunch?
At lunchtime. Eat again.
Only eat?
Eat again. When?
Yeah, that's all they do. Eat.
At my school, it's you eat one snack at lunch and then you come back.
Papayat-payat yan, nagtatrack and field yan.
Track and field.
Oh.
Oh, do you know track and field is?
Papayran na payran. Anong subject na yan?
In track and field, I run 500 meters.
Oh, subject na yan. Track and field.
Oh, do you know
PE na yan, PE!
you know how to run 500 meters?
PE.
You know how to run 500 meters?
That's not longer, Saya.
500 meters.
Yeah, 500.
Bumati ka na, anak.
500.
I can. I can run 500 meters.
Oh, 100 meters. How about you? 5 kilometers?
Yeah.
5 feet.
You can eat 5 kilos of rice.
Hey.